the thing more valuable than money is your time, your freedom. I was watching this video and the guy was kind of saying like, yeah, all these things are cool. Like, oh, I drove in a Lambo. Oh, that's cool. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, I lived in LA. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, I lived in a house with a lot of content creators who have millions of followers. Blah, blah, blah. But, after the hype, all that stuff, he realized, you know what? None of that really matters. It matters when you don't have it. But when you have it, it doesn't matter. And you realize you have that maturing mindset of, you know what? What's better than money? What's better than all the views in the world, chasing views until the end of time, is having the option to work or not work. This is very complicated, but I just want to hopefully give a message to the young guys out there who are in the business space or who just need to hear this. Because you guys either should work because you want to work, or you should build systems that kind of complement your lifestyle of, you know what, I don't feel like working this month. I'm going to go and do something. And, these people, they create these passive kind of income in quotation mark type things. And I'm just like, that's awesome. But then they also don't really live lifestyles where they need to be spending $5,000 a month on their car payment or whatever, and their car insurance, and fixing their car and stuff. Yeah, it's nice to have these things sometimes, and some people can really afford it. But I feel like step one, at least for me, is guys should be focusing on getting good at a skill, making money in that space, and making so much money that you stack that money and you make that money work for you. So that then, after 6 years of hustling, getting really good in an area, or 8 years, whatever, you have the option to be like, you know what? I can retire if I want to. You know what? I'm going to put this money into real estate, the stock market, and I'm going to make it, what is it, 10% more than what I put into it every year annually. And I want you guys to be thinking in this mindset, because this is wealth, right? This is actually wealth. You guys chase being rich, but what actual wealth is something that maybe a lot of people can't comprehend, because they're sold the idea of, oh, what is it to be rich? Oh, what is it to be living in a nice house and driving a nice car? Not saying that those are wrong, but I think those should come after you have like infinite money, money glitch, money that's just stacking, multiplying in the background, money that's working for you. So I hope this made you think a little bit and brought some awareness, because I just wanted to say this. I watched this in a video and I was thinking to myself, you know what, that's a good point. Because, I'm not going to lie, ideally, I would like to have this YouTube channel, certain amount of views, so that I could maybe have a community and, use my gift there, and then not have to really worry about, oh, I need to go to my 9 to 5. Haha. Anyways,